Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about a new liver detoxification supplement that I've been trying for the past few weeks. It's called LiverGuard Plus and it claims to restore liver health, improve immunity, digestion, metabolism, and much more. In this video, I'm going to share with you my honest review of this product, as well as answer some frequently asked questions that you might have. So stay tuned and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons if you enjoy this video. LiverGuard Plus is a natural supplement that contains a blend of herbs and nutrients that support liver function and detoxification. The liver is one of the most important organs in our body, as it performs over 500 vital functions, such as filtering toxins, producing bile, regulating blood sugar, and synthesizing proteins. However, due to our modern lifestyle, diet, alcohol consumption, and exposure to other pollutants, our liver can get overloaded and damaged over time. This can lead to various health problems, such as fatty liver disease, inflammation, fibrosis, cirrhosis, and even liver failure. LiverGuard Plus aims to prevent and reverse these issues by providing the liver with the essential nutrients it needs to heal itself and function optimally. LiverGuard Plus works by enhancing the natural detoxification process of the liver. It contains ingredients such as milk thistle extract, artichoke extract, dandelion root extract, turmeric extract, berberine extract, and other vitamins and minerals that have been scientifically proven to support liver health. These ingredients work synergistically to protect the liver cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, stimulate bile production and secretion, improve liver enzyme levels, regulate blood sugar and cholesterol levels, and boost immunity and metabolism. By taking LiverGuard Plus daily, you can help your liver get rid of harmful toxins and waste products that accumulate in your body over time. LiverGuard Plus offers a number of benefits for your overall health and well-being. Some of the benefits include improved liver function and detoxification, enhanced immunity and resistance to infections, better digestion and nutrient absorption, increased energy and vitality, balanced blood sugar and cholesterol levels, reduced inflammation and pain, improved skin health and appearance, prevention of serious liver diseases. These benefits are not only based on scientific research but also on the testimonials of thousands of satisfied customers who have tried LiverGuard Plus and experienced positive results. Using LiverGuard Plus is very easy and convenient. All you need to do is take 2 capsules per day with a glass of water and a meal. You can take them at any time of the day that suits you best, but it is recommended to take them in the morning and evening for optimal results. You should also drink plenty of water throughout the day to help flush out toxins from your body. LiverGuard Plus is suitable for both men and women of all ages who want to improve their liver health naturally. However, if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or have any medical condition or allergy, you should consult your doctor before taking any supplement. LiverGuard Plus is very affordable compared to other liver supplements on the market. You can buy it directly from the official website of the manufacturer at a special introductory price. Here are the current prices. 1 bottle, 60 capsules, $4.49. 3 bottles, 180 capsules, for $117, $39 per bottle. 6 bottles, 360 capsules, for $174, $29 per bottle. As you can see, the more bottles you buy, the more money you save. Plus, you get free shipping on all orders, no matter where you live. And if you are not satisfied with the product for any reason, you can return it within 60 days and get a full refund, no questions asked. That's how confident the manufacturer is about the quality and effectiveness of LiverGuard Plus. If you want to get LiverGuard Plus and start improving your liver health today, all you need to do is click on the link in the description box below this video. This will take you to the official website of the manufacturer, where you can place your order securely and easily. You can pay with your credit card, PayPal, or other payment methods. Once you place your order, you will receive a confirmation email with your tracking number and delivery details. You can expect to receive your package within 3 to 5 business days in the US, or 7 to 14 business days internationally. Don't miss this opportunity to get LiverGuard Plus at a discounted price and with a 60-day money-back guarantee. Order now and see the difference for yourself. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you found it informative and helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might benefit from LiverGuard Plus. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.